Hi, my name is Jason and I'm going to be your instructor in this course on how to create spine animations using rigging bones and also learning how to use Photoshop to create your characters for spine. A little bit about myself so that you know that you can trust me to teach you how to do this. At the age of 17, I began a 6-month internship with an animation studio, and from there it turned into a paying job at a very young age. From there, I just began networking, and eventually I became a freelance illustrator and designer, which is what I do now, as well as teaching on Udemy. So what are you going to be getting out of this course? Well, first off, we're going to be going over the basics of Photoshop for those of you that are not familiar with Photoshop. Next, you're going to learn about Photoshop's 2 animation tools, and you're going to learn how to animate characters in Photoshop, as well as understand how the animation process works. Then we're going to go ahead and create your character in Photoshop, and we're going to cut them up into separate pieces so each body part is on its own layer. That way you can import it into Spine and it'll be ready for rigging. Next, we're going to learn how to export our Photoshop files so that they're ready for Spine. And then we're going to go into Spine and we're going to learn how to create bones and add a skeleton to our character. Once your character is rigged, it's ready for animation. So we're going to take it to the animation side of Spine and we're going to go ahead and animate an entire walk cycle. You'll learn all about keyframes and how they work and how to create an amazing animation in Spine. Lastly, you'll learn how to export your animation so you can use it in a game, whether it's Unity or if you just want to export it as a GIF or a video, you can also do that too. A really quick pointer, if you're already pretty familiar with Photoshop and how to create a character that's ready for rigging, you can just go ahead and skip to the lecture where I teach you how to export out of Photoshop for Spine. I hope you're excited to get started in this course. I know I am, and I'm very excited to see some of your guys' animations. So let's go ahead and get to it.